Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez, and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi guys, so me and my barkada will have a dinner this coming weekend. So we're planning to have a little drinks after. So I was thinking, what if I cook famous Kapampangan dish, which is pork sisig? Tara, let's cook it using Koizumi Slim Roaster and induction cooker.
So now let's make pork sisig. So for our pork sisig, the ingredients we're going to use are boiled pig's face and ears, red chili, calamansi, white sugar, salt, pepper, soy sauce, red onion, ginger, garlic, cooking oil, and margarine. So for our pork sisig, grill lang natin yung boiled pork ears and face. So by the way guys, Koizumi Slim Roaster is very compact, reduced odor and deodorant filter, double-sided heater, and easy to grill without turning over, easy to clean, and can be disassembled. So ang habol natin is yung char flavor niya or yung medyo sunog doon sa meat natin. So let's leave it like for 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, okay na yung pork natin. Then mince lang natin siya or chop natin siya. And then let's cook it using our Koizumi induction cooker. So open our induction cooker. Add our oil, a little lang kasi may oil na tayo dyan pag nag-render yung pork natin. Onions, garlic, and ginger. So guys, disclaimer lang, no? There's original talaga na pork sisig, yung Kapampangan style. So this one naman, this is our own interpretation. So ito yung way natin. Add our pork. So by the way guys, Koizumi induction cooker is 2000 watts, very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistant. Season with salt. Black pepper. Soy sauce. Konting sugar. So guys, yung original sisig, nung kumain ako nung Kapampangan style, they use margarine doon sa seasoning plate before they put yung cooked na pork. So for this one, we'll add lang siguro straight na doon sa pork natin, and then chilies. Okay, that's it. Plate na natin. So let's plate our sisig na. Get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So here's our pork sisig.